Yeah, if you see the gas meter, so be mindful the vent terminal. So like there's a gas regulator here, and there's a vent. So this vent sometimes just if the air balance, the pressure balance, and some gas will come out from here. Yeah. So and if you just walk around here, and you can smell the natural gas. So that's why. So the code just ask. So the gas meter should have some requirement for the opening of the building. Yeah, like the opening door and the windows, and if some around here. So that requires at least 1 meter or 3 feet. Yeah. So that's why. So you see, if you saw the gas meter is very close to the door or window, you should make notes in your report. Yeah, just in case, and maybe the owner, you can recommend the owner, the new owner, or the existing owner. So they should call if it's pretty close to the door, and they should call the gas supplier, and to see if they can move the position for the gas meter or not. Okay, so next. So we talked to the propane. So in fact, most of the furnace and the water heater. So when we buy from the Home Depot suppliers, so the orifice for the fuse normally is for the natural gas. Yeah. So normally, if you order the gas appliance, it's propane. So maybe the sticker there and the orifice for the appliance will be changed to the propane orifice. But if you didn't ask, so then you buy the gas appliance should be the natural gas. So like the left picture, so we saw this sticker is propane. So that means, so normally, so this one should be the special order. But like the right side of the picture, so there's a sticker said is that this unit has been converted from natural gas to propane gas. This special sticker is like the gas contractor, if they change the gas appliance from natural gas to propane, they should put this sticker there just to cover the original sticker. Yeah, because so after that, we know all this appliance is used for the propane, not the natural gas. So that's very important. In fact, if you do the home inspection and you find the propane tank around the building, and then you should be careful. Yeah, so you have to check all the gas appliances like a furnace, water heater, and sometimes like a boiler or the fireplace. So if you confirm it's a propane gas appliance and there's no sticker for the propane, so and you should make notes and let them check. So confirm all the gas appliance should be stick on the propane, marked on propane. And then, so for example, if there's any troubles, the gas filter go there, and they should know there's a propane gas appliance. Yeah, so even so the principle for the natural gas and the propane is the same, but we should know. Okay, so the orifice is different. So that's why. So if there's no sticker for the propane, so you should mark on the your report.
I'll make a quick note there, Sam, if you don't mind. So this is what we were talking about with Andrew during plumbing, guys, when we were talking about inspecting the data plates for your furnace and water heater. So the serial, the serial number for the age, the BTUs, and of course the combustion fuel, right? So that's what we were saying. You really want to be mindful, because if you have a propane tank feeding a natural gas appliance, it's not going to be operating properly.
Oh yeah, so in fact, if they change to from the natural gas to propane, the BTU should be changed. Yeah, so that's why. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, the orifice should be changed. Yeah, so the BTU should almost the same. Okay, so the other fields like electricity and heating oil. So these two, so in fact, not very common to see. So some province maybe there's still have the electrical furnace or water heater. Yeah, electricity water heater maybe is more common than the furnace. Yeah, so I only see several one in BC. So there's the electrical furnace. But sometimes so the electrical water heater, so that's normal. Yeah, so if there's no gas supply, and they use electrical water heater. Yeah, so like the one for the heating oil. So this one I only saw one time in Saskatchewan is for the commercial building. Yeah, I never saw for the residential. Yeah, so maybe for the eastern side of the Canada, so maybe there's some oil tank or oil supply for the heating area. Yeah, so but I didn't see this one. So, hey Alex, so do you think anything we should be careful about the oil supply or heating oil gas supplies?
Yeah, we'll actually be talking about heating oil later on. So this is just to give you guys, a bit of a background that the four most common appliance fuels are the four that we just discussed. And of course, you can have wood heating as well for wood stoves.
Yeah, but most time the oil furnace or something like that should be the kerosene is more than diesel, is right?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, typically you'll find heating oil, like you mentioned, on eastern part of Canada, but you can find them in rural settings. I know this was submitted by an inspector out on Vancouver Island, I believe. So, I mean, they do have in some parts. I have seen it in rural settings in Alberta as well, but again, not very common. Like you mentioned, you typically would see more propane in rural settings, but heating oil obviously is getting phased out due to its carbon emissions.
Okay, yeah. So, but the thing we should know is, the electric appliance, the efficiency is very high. So it's normally, so we call it 100%. Yeah, and compare with the other fuels, the electrical is best. Yeah. So the heating oil, so like the oil tank, so normally require be certified every 10 years. Yeah, so that's normally for the insurance purpose. So and there's still some like the wood burning appliance. Yeah, however, the wood burning appliance must be inspected by the wood energy technology transfer inspector. So that's I never met about that. Yeah, so because I only do the gas side, and some electricity side. So I only met the water heater. Yeah, normally the furnace. So that should be serviced by the electrician, not the gas fitter. Okay, so the important thing we should talk to is types of the furnaces. So because when you do the inspection, so most time you met the furnace, and you should know the difference of the furnace you met. Yeah, so like the picture show, the left is down flow and the right side is up flow. But most furnace we met in the house is up flow. Yeah, and the down flow, so only some like there is a crawl space, or some building maybe we call it in slab. Yeah, so we talk about upflow first. Yeah, so in fact the upflow here, so we should know. So for the furnace, if we want to know is the upflow or downflow, and the upflow should be the blower motor on the bottom of the furnace, and the upper case here is the heating side, like the heat exchanger and the gas valve, yeah, the burner, yeah. So when the air blow up and heat and to the room, so that's called the upflow furnace. Yeah, so like this one, we know the retain air from every floor, or for the new house maybe every room, and the suction from here to the retain air duct goes through the filter, and then blower motor blow up, heated by the heat changer, and blow to the every room. Yeah, so that's called the upflow. Yeah, so normally, so there's 2 doors for the furnace. So and then you can see if you can see the burner upper than the blower motor, so that's called the upflow. Yeah, so normally, so we saw the furnace is upflow. Yeah, so for the downflow, so normally so there is the same furnace. Yeah, just maybe the brand and the everything is the same. Yeah, just when the install is upside down. Yeah, so like we saw here. Yeah, so the retain air from the top, and then goes through the blower motor. So there should be the filter too. Okay, so all the retain air just goes through the filter first, and then go to the blower compartment. Yeah, so after that blow up, so now it's blow down. Blow down goes through the heat changer, heated, and then blow down to sometimes it's cross space, like the supply plenum, and then the supply branch. So those pipe should be under cross space. And I met some like the very old house in BC, so they don't have the cross space. But all the pipe is in the slab. It's concrete, so that's met lots of trouble. Yeah, so upflow and downflow normally that's is just we know about the airflow direction. Yeah, so if it's blow up, so it's upflow. If blow down, it's downflow.